Why does your scanner show the P0005 engine code? What does it mean? P0005 is a diagnostic trouble code for Fuel Shutoff Valve A, control circuit or open. This engine code indicates that this means that the ECM has detected an electrical problem with the fuel shutoff solenoid or its circuit. It's often include an illuminated check engine light, poor engine performance, stalling, or a no-start condition. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel shutoff valve, wiring problems, defective fuel shutoff valve relay, open circuit, faulty ECM or PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford and Toyota models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.